Today, we are going to review the original Jack Daniel's factory and explore how this legendary whiskey is actually made.
This sample is contaminated. We have to reject the load.
Understood. I will notify the driver and update the records.
Mixing the mash bill, combine 80% cornmeal, 12% malted barley, and 8% rye in exact proportions.
Cooking the mash. Add hot cave spring water heated to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit to the grain mix in large cookers.
Starch conversion. Heat to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Malted barley enzymes break starches into fermentable sugars over 1 to 2 hours.
Okay, the meter stabilized right at 5.35. Noted. Brix reading is 12.1. Everything is within range.
First distillation blown. In column stills, heat to vaporize alcohol. Collect at 125 to 140 proofs.
First distillation or stripping run. In column stills, heat is used to vaporize the alcohol, which is collected at 125 to 140 proof.
Distillation preparation. Strain out solids. The liquid, or wash, goes to the stills.
Second distillation, or the rectifying run. We refine in doubler stills to 140 proof, 70% ABV, removing impurities.
Condensation. Vapors cool back to liquid in condensers.
The chromatogram confirms the presence of excessive diacetyl. We need to adjust the temperature on tank 3 immediately to complete the fermentation.
Fermentation starts. Temperature controlled at 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Bubbles form as yeast activates.
Keep it moving towards the center. We need this section packed tight.
All right, I'm on it. Starting to tamper now.
Lincoln County process start. Drip new make spirit through charcoal at 1 to 2 drops per second.
Mellowing duration takes 3 to 5 days. Charcoal filters out impurities like congeners for smoothness.
The nose is quite complex, wouldn't you agree?
Yes, definitely detecting some stone fruit undertones. Look here by the bunghole, see that grain pattern?
Yeah, that's solid.
Yeah.
This batch is approved.
Combining batches. Mix from 100 to 200 barrels for consistency. Store for 4 to 7 years. Whiskey interacts with oak, gaining color and flavor, vanilla and caramel.
Goods are stored in the warehouse and then shipped directly to distributors. Please note there are no sales in dry Lynchburg County.
All shipments are ready for distribution. A quick reminder, no sales are permitted in dry Lynchburg County. All shipments are ready for distribution. A quick reminder, no sales are permitted in dry Lynchburg County.